Yes, another great day, beautiful day, some clouds in the sky, blue sky, a nice breeze. We're up in maybe mid 80s, maybe a little higher. So let's get going with the video. Today's video, I have another one of the firearms that I acquired from my father after he passed away last May in 2023. This is the Westernfield Model 30A, made by Marlin. Lever action. This has a Simmons little scope on it, red dot. See how I can do with that. I'm colorblind with, say red and greens. That's why I always tried to drop my deer with the first shot so I wouldn't have to try to blood trail them. Unless there was some snow, I suppose I could see it, but if there's no snow, there's really going to be no chance of me seeing a blood trail. I had helped my father-in-law. He was an artist and going to outdoor art shows where I had to set up the tent and his artwork. A lot of times they used red spray paint on the green grass, and it was really hard for me to see it. Anyway, I'm going to be using this Remington. It's the 170 grain core lock soft point. This is the rifle. I will give you a closer look at that. I have no idea how long my father might have owned this, whether he bought it new, whether he acquired it from somebody else. But it's mine now. Be my first time shooting it and using this red dot. So here's what it looks like. Some nice engraving there, deer head and leaves, oak leaves and checkering there. And does have surface rust or something you can see right on there. This is the little scope, Simmons. Again, on the foregrip, the oak leaves, some checkering for the grip. Coming up here, there's been some pitting. It does look like somebody tried to get it off because it looks like it's lost some of the bluing on there. I'll have to work on that. You can see right down here, going on up to the end of the barrel. Let me turn this over for you, show the other side. This is the other side. There's some scuff marks there. Same thing, some engraving on this side of it. Got some pitting there. See what I can do to get that cleaned up. Same thing on the foregrip is on the other side. So I'll take this over to my other table where I shoot at for targets. We'll load this up. We'll do some shooting, see what I can do. So I'm going to load up this Remington 150 grain core lock soft point. Load up 5 of them. I know on this scope it goes from 0 to 7 for the brightness of the red dot, so I'm going to turn it up to the 7. Well, be help if I put one in the chamber. Go down, check the target out, see how well I did. There's my target, using that Westernfield 30-30, the 30A, using the Simmons red dot scope. So I did pretty well, I believe. I got a pretty close grouping. I've got one there in the 10, the other ones are right there. Again, you know, maybe taking more time and practicing with it and getting better. So I always appreciate everybody watching and your comments.